Well, here we go. Let's try this out. Turn this on. You notice that the IP cam, it drops back on the video, on the audio. So we'll turn this off. Very little lag on the direct IP address on the computer. So this is working. We just got to get the outrigger adjusted and basically bolted down to the top of the cabinet, and we just got it rigged up there right now to hold it in place. There's the audio rack, there's the controller, power watt meter. This is an HP 3325 function generator. We're going to be using this eventually to provide frequency control. I believe this is a General Radio 1931, I believe. Of course, that's the Valiant up there. The Collins R390 and the Hewlett Packard 5327 frequency counter. So we're just about, we still have some cable terminations to do, and then we'll be done, aside from the minor tweaks to the transmitter. So let's turn this on one more time. Yeah, this is cool. This is very, very cool. KA4KOE, Philip Neidlinger, Richmond Hill, Georgia.